Want to stop automatically following other people's Instagram account? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, move into your application Instagram. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Now head over to your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of the screen. Inside the settings page, head over to Account Centers. Move into Password and Security. Now in this page, head over to where you are logged in. Simply click on your Instagram account. Well, if you are logged in into unknown device, then simply select device to log out and simply log out of that device. This might help you to secure your account. After that, go back and head over to Password and Security once again. Move into two-factor authentication. Click on your Instagram account. Now from here, you can try turning on the two-factor authentication in order for you to secure your account. Once you have enabled, you won't be following any of the Instagram account automatically, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.